BittyBrush. Hello. Let's draw a cute snowman. The hat. Wonderful. Let's draw a circle. Legs. Let's draw the hands. Buttons. And a scarf. How cute! A carrot nose. Smile and eyes. Let's paint the hat black. Perfectly. Red. The ball and buttons are also red. Very good. The hands are brown. Good. The nose is orange. What a cute snowman it turned out to be. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos.